Hello guys, today I'll show you how to add a stitching thread effect to any image, whether it's on fabric, clothes, or even a football. Here's how you can do it easily. First of all, make a selection of the area where you want the stitching thread to appear. After that, go to select Modify Contrast Selection and set the value around 17 pixels, then press OK. Next, go to the Paths panel and click Make Work Path. Set tolerance to 5.0 and press OK. You'll now see a blue path line appear around your selection. Now, go to Layer where thread is now. Draw a small rectangular shape around it. This will act as one stitch. Once done, go to Edit Define Pattern, give it a name like Thread Pattern, and press OK. Now go back to your main image. Go to Edit Fill Contents Pattern and choose the thread pattern you just created. Before pressing OK, make sure Script Enable and select Place Along Path. When the settings appear, note that setting applied it, then OK, and Photoshop will automatically place your thread pattern perfectly along your selected path. And that's it. The stitching thread effect is now applied beautifully to your football.